friends. Now let us see the first week of March for Sagittarius. Okay, we are going to remove 4 cards, friends, 2 from the tarot deck, 1 from Monology and 1 from Keeper's deck. And this is a general reading, friend. It may resonate you and it may not. Thank you. One more card from the tarot deck, friend. Sagittarius. First week of March. One from Monology deck. A very beautiful deck. I'm really sure you all will enjoy this deck. It tells the moon. It tells about the 2 cards. Okay. 1 from Keeper's deck. Now let us see what are the cards for you, Sagittarius, for first week of March. Wow, beautiful. Wheel of Fortune. Even for Leo, it was Magician. I'm wondering, maybe this March is going to give a very good news for all of us. All fire signs have a very good cards, I'm sure. Wheel of Fortune, friends. Some new beginning, Magician also was there. That was also beginning card. Wheel of Fortune. After some very unhappy moments and some failures, now first week of March is going to put you on the top of the world. You are going to have success, happiness, ample of love, fulfillment of all your wishes. See, the Wheel of Fortune is going to put you on the top. At that time, never forget that you are on the top, and when again the Wheel of Fortune comes, you may have to come down. So when you are up, remember that not to be proud, be very humble. Let us see what the second tarot deck. 6 of Pentacles. Beautiful. 6 of Pentacles. In this special tarot card, it's like very positive things are given, very positive vibrations I'm getting. 6 of Pentacles, ample of opportunities, ample of money, Wheel of Fortune, as you know, ample of things coming to your way. And this success is going to be somebody is giving you the opportunities and you are just holding the opportunities. You are receiving the opportunities. You are receiving love, care, trust, and even opportunities and money. Pentacles is a card for money, wealth. Now, 2 cards that come out of Monology. New Moon in Cancer. You and your loved ones are safe. Oh yes, Wheel of Fortune, definitely you and your loved ones will be safe, dear. Oh, New Moon in Gemini. Communication is the key, I told you. When you're up, never forget that be humble. So take care of your communication, when you're talking to someone, maybe for your career, for your business, or even in the love, with your partner, take care of your communication, because sometimes when you are very happy or when you are very successful, some egoistic words comes out of your mouth. Take care about it. That's the message given to you, friend. Let us see what the Keeper's deck gives the message. Oh, unexpected income. Just see how the messages are given by universe to you. Wheel of Fortune, unexpected income, same. If you just go through these 2 cards, just see. Similar cards. 6 of Pentacles and unexpected income. One is receiving and one is giving. So some unexpected event is going to happen in first week of March. You are waiting for some business deal, or you have given up some interview and waiting for the results. anything, maybe your love, anything, here income doesn't mean just wealth, friends. It means whatever you have done, whatever you have done now, you are going to reap the fruits, but unexpected way. Means more success than you might have thought. A very beautiful cards for you, Sagittarius, that you are going to have a wonderful week. Very wonderful week. Enjoy this week, friends. Let us see what are the general messages for you, friends. Okay. First week of March for Sagittarius. Okay, first message. Energy vampires again, because I told you when you are on the top of the world, take care that you be away from the energy vampires, because they are going to harm you. Ask for and accept support from others, because you are going to have ample of opportunities. So ask for help. It is nothing wrong in asking for help, because you are going to have the opportunities. You have to fulfill so many things. Definitely you want support. Letter Y. Okay. Next messages. Y means somebody from letter Y, or your company, anything it may be. Longest journey of life is the one that takes you deep within yourself, journey that truly helps to find yourself. See, so even spiritually, universe is telling that you are going to find out, what is your purpose in this life. And once you know your life purpose, definitely that is the first step towards your spiritual awakening. Savage. Okay. Next message is letter P. Letter P. Maybe any of this one, maybe from this. Oh, politics, stay away. Maybe in the workspace, family, country, anywhere. Stay away from the politics, because these are the energy vampires and you don't interfere in these things. Letter H. Take care of letter H. Let's see what are the love messages for you, friends. Love messages for Sagittarius. First week of March. Okay. First, let us remove one is. Wait, don't rush into it. Allow nature to take its course, because maybe you are going to have in love also ample opportunities. Don't rush. Okay, wait and watch. Sexual chemistry, maybe your life partner and you will have a sexual chemistry. And next is, time has come to clear your energy. Yeah, I told you. The message was energy vampires, so time to clear your energy. Maybe sometimes you are stuck up with your ex. Remove these particular things and move ahead. I know I messed up. Maybe you know that you have messed up the things, or maybe your partner thinks the same thing. The next message. Manifest miracles. Your dream is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. See, spiritually also we got it same way for the love also. Your dream is going to come in reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. So don't think from your mind for love, think from heart, because love is connected to heart, friends, and not to mind. Mind is for the intelligence, but for emotions, for love, heart is going to be the thing which will guide you. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind, for the heart is the gateway to the soul. See, just heart is the gateway to the soul. If you could do anything, what would it be? If you could do anything for your love partners, what it could be? Just think and do for the partners. So, a very bright week ahead for you. Okay, friends, thank you.